let's do it. All right, so in this horn, you have these little cutouts here. I don't know if you guys can see that. May have to zoom in possibly, but you have these little cutouts here, and they're on both sides. So this is where you will have to stick something like a screwdriver. I'll use this little small one to push in and then lift. So you got to separate these two. It's hard to do behind the camera. So keep apart here. So yeah, so you do that, and then that separates the top from the bottom. And again, this is what you're pushing in on, these little two tabs. Next, you have two screws here, one here, and you have to excuse me, you have to remove those screws in order to get to the battery. Seems a little bit extra, but you know, hey, whatever. It works good. I'm happy with it. So I don't mind doing a little extra. So, all right, one screw out. Don't lose it. See if I can try to not block the light here. All right, second screw out. Put these here so we don't lose them. And now you can just pull this circuit board away from the base here. So now you got to get the battery out. So what you see is you got this little end point here. It's a little, where is it? That on that side. You got this on this side. You have this on this side. So the battery has to come out from this side. It's pretty obvious. So what I do is now use a screwdriver to push this old battery down. Push from that side. Yeah. It kind of gets tight there. There we go. All right, so we got the old battery out. That's trash. Let's get the new battery in. Now, PIDZOOM, the kit I've got, came with 2 controllers and some extra batteries. So now on here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is a plus, meaning that the positive side of the battery needs to be at the top. So now we're going to put the positive side up, and then we're going to slide that in. All right, let's wait it. Slide that in, and now it is in place. So now we're just going the reverse, putting it back into the base. Okay, tricky part is just remember what is up and what is down, because you have a lock and an unlock, and you don't want to switch them up if possible. So let's try to get these screws in here. I think I got that one in. Okay, we get that one threaded. Let's get the other one in. All right, so we got them both threaded. Let's tighten them down. Right, that one's tightened. This one's tightened. No need to over tighten them. All right, so now let's go ahead and test it out before we put the face on, so we can make sure we put the face on the right direction. So, I think it's loud. So, yep, horn works. Let's see which one is the lock. That is the unlock. Oh no, that was the lock, because it let you know that you set the alarm, and then it gave you the second response. So the unlock should be up top. Yes, that was the unlock. So we know that this is how it goes on, because this is the unlock button, this is the lock button. So now we can just slap this face back on, and it should just snap on. And then we're ready to go.